The day has come. Today is differential swap day. So we're gonna get the old differential out, put the new one in, and hopefully we'll be all set. This is Greg. Greg knows a lot more than I do.
Yeah.
And he's gonna tell me what I'm doing wrong.
Or I'll make it up.
Makes me nervous when things go in too easily. That's the old diff out, and it wasn't easy. YouTube is full of liars. It was not easy.
We can legitimately attest to the fact that it was a locked diff.
Yes, it's definitely welded. All right, so we'll try the new one. So here's the differential swap update. We spent like 4 hours on Wednesday night swapping out the differential. So we got the old one out. It's right there. It's greasy and gross. The new one is in, it's hanging. We are like 95% done. All we're missing are the two, the rear PPF mounting bolts. I only have this one for the rear, and I don't have the thicker one. And I'm also missing the spacer, which I didn't realize until after trying to fight this thing in for an hour. So I'm gonna go to Mazda right now and see if they have these bolts, because I can't find them anywhere locally. We'll see how much they want to charge me for them. But once I have those bolts, everything should fit right back together and bolt it up and then torque it to spec, and I'm good to go. So kind of success. We're success adjacent, I'll say. So I'm going to update you on the differential saga. The new differential is in. I've had it in for the last couple of weeks, and it's running perfectly. It drives way better than it ever did with the welded diff. I'm not a huge fan of welded diffs. The open diff is the way to go, for me anyway. So the last thing I need to do to 100% complete the differential swap is to install this. So this is the lower sleeve for the rear PPF bolt. My car didn't even have the rear bolt. I had to go and get a bolt at the junkyard, and I couldn't get this sleeve out of that donor car, so I actually had to order this from eBay. So I'm going to install that today, and then the differential swap is 100% done. And it only took me 3 months.